Hi, I'm Teresa McGallagher, the author of You Are Here to Wake Up. My book is a very unusual devotional that uses 365 pages to introduce the reader to enlightened people and their teachings. It is a way to cover a lot of spiritual material in small digestible chunks for people who feel overwhelmed, and it shows that enlightenment happens more often than we think and to many different kinds of people. I want to give spiritual seekers hope that they can find the perfect path for them and that they can get to a point of feeling constantly peaceful by giving them examples of many others who have done just that. Years ago, when my 3 children were young, I kept a daily devotional on my bedside table, and I would grab it first thing in the morning on my way to the bathroom. Then I would sit on the toilet and read an inspirational passage for the day based on A Course in Miracles. Those few precious moments felt like the only ones I could spare in my busy life. At the time, A Course in Miracles just seemed too big and complex for me to tackle. I envision that my book will serve the same purpose for spiritual seekers who are floundering with the massive amounts of information available today by consolidating it into manageable portions. I was really inspired as I did the research for this book by all the amazing people who have lived mystical lives, and I hope that my book will inspire others. It seems that more people are waking up to their true divine nature than ever before. I also ruled out many people who were not realized themselves, but who channeled divine teachings or had revelations leading to incredible inventions or artistic endeavors. I see 2 sequels to this book based on those topics in my future. I think the content of my research will not only make an interesting book, but also has the potential to be published as a card deck and a perpetual calendar. Finally, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for reading my book proposal and for giving me the opportunity to share these ideas with the world.